Dedicate natin kay Mr. D. Kaya kasi yung outfit ko, be. Pauwi na ako, diba?
All my life, without a doubt, I agree. All my life.
Kinilig ang maraming netizens sa sweet na gesture ni Katrina Halili para sa kanyang partner na si Chris Lawrence. Sa kasalukuyan ay nasa Amerika si Chris para sa sunod-sunod niyang mga concert at musical engagements. Bilang suporta at pagpapakita ng pagmamahal, inialay ni Katrina ang isa sa mga awitin nito at ibinahagi ang kanyang mensahe ng paghanga at pag-encourage para sa singer. Ayon sa mga netizens, ramdam ang pagiging supportive ni Katrina sa kanyang partner. Marami ang kinilig sa kanyang simpleng ngunit makahulugang gesture, lalo na't layunin nitong lalo pang ma-inspire si Chris habang abala ito sa pagtupad ng mga commitment sa ibang bansa. Dahil dito, umani ng positibong reaksyon at marami ang humanga sa matatag na relasyon ng dalawa sa kabila ng pansamantalang pagkakalayo dahil sa trabaho.
Dedicate natin kay Mr. D. Kaya kasi yung outfit ko, be. Pauwi na ako, diba?
All my life, without a doubt, I agree. All my life, and forever till the day I die, you and I will share. All the things this changing words can offer, and so I say I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend me shame with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. You started off my way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time. Then I chose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. I want this all my life.
It's all my life.
Ayan. So, online na natin kasi yun ang bababag song na alam ko. Thank you so much.
More.
All my life, I will carry you. All my life, sweet shower of the passing days, I will stay with you. It's the time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and let the sun did shine. Started all our way. I do recall every moment spent was wasted time. Then I chose to lay on the line. A thread that passed away, a thread that passed away. Should have passed away, should have passed away, should have passed away. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.